Hi everyone, welcome to the deep learning part of the course. Let's see what we are going to learn in this part of the course. So basically we are going to learn deep learning in 11 sections. So we have 11 sections about the deep learning in this course. We will start from the introduction of the neural networks and deep learning, and then we will learn about the activations function, we will learn about the loss function, and we will learn about the backpropagation. So these three sections, from the activation functions to the backpropagation, are very important because the concepts which we will learn in these three sections will be used in every follow section. Okay, then we will learn how we can use neural networks for the regression analysis, how we can use neural networks for the classification problem. Then we will study the effect of dropout regularization and batch normalization on the neural networks. Then we will study special kind of deep learning network, which is convolutional neural network, also known as CNN. Then we will also study another kind of deep learning model, which is recurrent neural network, also known as RNN. Then the next deep learning model is generative adversarial network, also known as GAN. And then the deep learning section will end with the autoencoder. So student, in this course, now the next 11 sections will be about the deep learning. So I hope you will learn a lot in the deep learning part of the course. Thanks for listening this lecture, and I will teach you deep learning from the next section.